In this video, I'll show you how to change the crosshair color in AutoCAD to make your workspace more comfortable and easier to see while drawing. Open AutoCAD, type OP in the command line, and press Enter to open the options window. Next, go to the Display tab and click Colors. In the Drawing Window Colors panel, choose 2D Model Space, then select Crosshairs from the Interface Elements list. Now pick any color from the available palette, or create a custom one by adjusting the RGB values until you find the shade that works best for you. Once you're happy with the color, apply the changes and close the settings window. Your new crosshair color will appear immediately, giving you better visibility while working on your projects. That's all it takes to customize your AutoCAD workspace. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.